Good morning, it's Friday, May 8th, 2015. See, my mom's been working on the sink area a little bit. Not sure what she did. No, the sink's cleared anyway. She threw all this crap on this clear area, which I don't like, but it's not going to matter right now. We're going to be taking her to the doctor today. Guess I'll clean the kitchen this morning, making a pot of coffee. She had set the appointment like 3 weeks ago or something. And I know she's going to set another appointment when he forwards her to another doctor who can actually fix her. This is for hip degradation from arthritis. She wouldn't go to the doctors I wanted her to go to. She wants to go to all these other doctors, and they keep referring her now. This is the second doctor. She went to her other doctor. He referred her. Now this doctor's going to refer her to, most likely. Anyway, medical field's a big money making racket. It's a beautiful day today. Yeah, it looks really nice out there. But I'm not going to be working on the truck because of the doctor appointment coming up today. And it's walking the dog time. Such a beautiful day. Yes, my mom cleaned out that sink so she could wash her hair before going to the doctor, so I gotta help her just in case she falls down. I gotta make sure that she doesn't. At least it's a nice street here, you know. What are you pooing in the middle of the street for, dog? Well, this is good news. The coffee pot came. The other one I've been, as you know, using a cracked one because my cleaning it with ice method didn't work. This came in only 2 days. Pretty cool. Well, it's the glass part looks the same, but this top piece doesn't look the same. I think it's going to spill all over. I wonder if I can take this handle off somehow. Everything looks the same other than the lid part. Well, each one has a screw on it, but I don't know. Okay, I couldn't find a screwdriver, so I brought out my kit, which has them in it. I took the handle off both of these. Now I'm going to put the old handle on this new one. I hope it's the same size. It looks it. Well, that was a pain. Seems good now, though. Lines up nice. Wish I could clean this better. Maybe bleach. I'll just pour the coffee from the cracked pot into this one. Yeah, this one is really about to go. You can see the crack. We've been using it for like over a week since it cracked, but it was done. Such a cute little dogger. Would I take your picture and you run away? Huh? Huh? Cute little dogger. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's like new. Hope Robert doesn't turn this on because I got that crappy tap water in here. I forgot to blow that through. After we drink all this coffee, I will. This tap water's got chemical smells and everything else. Okay, we're finally on a trip to take my mom to the doctor's. I expect this doctor will refer her to the doctor that I wanted her to go to in the first place. She's been referred to this doctor from the other doctor that I knew wouldn't be able to fix it too. So hopefully eventually she'll get to the one who gives her some robot parts and then she'll be feeling good, right Mom? Huh? Nah?
Talk to you, Wayne.
She's not talking to me. She hates it when I'm right. Okay, walking the dog. I don't know what I filmed. I didn't film an accident on the way there. I was so concerned. It looked like some teenagers coming back from high school got in a crash. There was like book bags all over the ground and everything else on the way up to my mom's appointment. At my mom's appointment, they told her that she needs a hip replacement. She's not real happy. That's what I've been telling her for like a year now, almost. And I want her to go get a second opinion at the doctor that I know, that puts in higher tech hip replacements. And who also does stem cells, but I don't think she's going to be able to do the stem cell treatment. Possibly, I don't know, but if she did the stem cell treatment, I bet they'd put her in a cast. You know, her hip's really bad. I saw their x-rays. So hopefully Monday I can talk her into setting an appointment with that guy, another doctor. Anyway, it's been a long day. Even though I got nothing done on the van, at least we got my mom's doctor appointment stuff moving forward. I hope they can fix her. I'd love it if they could fix her. It would be great. You guys all have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow.